Hi, and welcome to week 5. So, this week we're shifting gears. So, prepare yourselves for a bit of a change. So, we've been working through the discussion boards, but this week we're going to use another Moodle function, the Moodle Wiki. So, as we enter week 5, we begin a 2-week period where you and an assigned group are going to explore a few fixed forms of poetry. And those fixed forms are the sonnet, the sestina, the villanelle, and the triolet. You and your assigned group are going to be using the Moodle Wiki to create a project about one of these forms, and you've been assigned the form. And what I like to use in the wiki is there's a feature that lets me see who's participating, who's contributing, and when they've done this. So it's a very useful tool for me. So in your project, you're going to be exploring the history of your assigned fixed form, the form and structure of your assigned form, the purpose of your assigned fixed form. And what I mean by purpose is that poets just don't make poems a certain way because they seem cool. The form itself often has a certain implication. For instance, the haiku, 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables, 3 lines. It's not just that structure. Really what it's about is it's about a transition in nature, and it's capturing that moment of transition. And that's the purpose of the haiku. So each of these other forms that you will be exploring has a different purpose, so you will need to be on the lookout for that. So because you're working collaboratively, it's really crucial that you work early and you work often. Don't leave the rest of your group members hanging. Really say hello on the wiki, start discussing who's going to take what role, and really the best day to do it would have been yesterday. The second best day to do it is today. And the last thing about these projects is that you will be preparing these, and these are going to be the study guides for the entire class for an exam in week 7. And the exam in week 7 is going to be focused on these 4 fixed forms. So being able to recognize them, being able to interpret them. So ultimately, as you're kind of finalizing your project, you need to make sure that the information is clear, accurate, and thorough. Okay, guys. So there are I've sent out an email, but there's also a list on Moodle which has your groups and your topics. I am really looking forward to seeing what you guys find out about these forms, and we'll be talking soon. Okay, bye guys.